In this video, I will try to explain you what is SushiSwap, how to use it in the like very basic level. Here is the app. You can go to app.sushi.com. It is available on the web, so you will need to use something like Chrome browser or Safari to use it. For me, it's better to use it on the desktop than on mobile. I'm not sure if there is a mobile app on iPhone or Android. Probably not. And then, yeah, to get started, as in all blockchain apps, like majority of them, you just need to connect your wallet. Here I already connected Metamask. I can always change it, and you can use one of those like Wallet Connect, Keystone, Coinbase, Fortmatic, Porty, Stores, Binance, Clover, all of that. Then here in the top, you can select a network. By default, I think the majority is you use Ethereum. There is also Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, XDAI, like Harmony, Sala, Fuse, bunch of these networks. So yeah, then you can just select Ethereum, for example, and then it should be. You need to log in to your MetaMask. Usually, when you just log in with your account, it's the same process. You just have this Chrome extension from MetaMask or from any other wallet, and you just need to verify just using your password or just sign in here. With Coinbase wallet, you need like to use QR code or something like that. So then you just tap switch network, and yeah, then it should be switched. So now there you have it. So now you have Ethereum. Also on the right side, you can always just change the language. There are these languages, like these are most common used languages. This, I guess, this little green sign here in the SushiSwap is the signature of the gas price. So it's like 63 Gwei, I guess, at the moment. And then the main thing why people are using SushiSwap or PancakeSwap or Uniswap is to swap all these different Ethereum tokens. If you already have some token like Ethereum token in your MetaMask wallet, you can swap it to, for example, you need to select token here. There are these common bases. I actually don't know what that is. I'm not such an advanced user. These tokens are commonly paired with other tokens. So yeah, so for example, if you want to swap one token for another, usually there are a lot of like exchange pairs using USDT or something like that. So then you just need to search token name or paste address. So for example, I can just search for some token here. So here I'm just to show you, I'm also trying to reconnect my MetaMask wallet. Then I just do it. There is this Chrome extension in the top right. I just need to enter my password. And there it is. And again, so let's just select a token here. So for example, if I just search for some token, so then for some reason there are some design issues. So for example, I want to get this token. Let's go Brandon, which is interesting token. Like yeah, I just search for the abbreviation, and then I need to tap import. Here it is. Via CoinGecko, it means that this is just a contract address. So the same thing I can do. Let's go Brandon contract. Can just do this, and then usually I will land on Etherscan, and then I can just copy this contract from here. Basically, this is there you have it. Just copy address, or I can go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, and then here I will just have this token address. There you have it, contract. Click to copy, and then I can just do the same. Like I can swap to, just select here. This site seems a bit buggy, but I think that's just, yeah. So then here I pass the address, which I just copied. And then I will see again the suggestion. Let's go Brandon. So two ways, either you search or you just copy the address. Then your balance will automatically be displayed, what you have in Ethereum. You can, of course, top up your Ethereum balance via Metamask. And then, yeah, so then you can just do something like this and then approve this. And there you have it. Then you will be able to swap and purchase that. Oops. So that's basically the feature. Then in the top right there are transaction settings, slippage tolerance. Your transaction will revert if the price changes unfavorably by more than this percentage. Usually it's auto. Then there is transaction deadline. Your transaction will revert if it is pending for more than this long. Then you can enter expert mode, which is more like advanced mode if you're really pro here, and some other settings. This is, as I told you, this is a gas GUI, like gas price. Yeah, you need to check, like if you're doing some big exchanges, usually it's a bit higher on the weekdays, like Thursday after 6 p.m. or something like that. Then it will be, it can be 130, like even 200. On the weekends, it's a bit lower, but I'm not an expert. And then, yeah, so that's basically it. Overall, what is SushiSwap? So for the first website, this decentralized exchange was Uniswap, as I understand. But they're open source and their code is on GitHub, so everyone can get it. And then like SushiSwap emerged, PancakeSwap emerged, some other apps, because basically you could take that GitHub code, just create a bit other service and just enter like a bit other brand and domain, and you have a new decentralized exchange. In very simplified terms, I think that's how it started, but of course each of these exchanges has some different features. So the main feature is that of course you can swap all these Ethereum tokens on SushiSwap, and not only Ethereum but also some other tokens, some other networks. Then there are some additional like DeFi, decentralized finance things you can do here. Liquidity provider rewards. Liquidity providers earn 0.25% fee on all trades proportional to their share of the pool. Fees are added to the pool, accrue in real time, and can be claimed by withdrawing your liquidity. So you can do that. You can also migrate Uniswap liquidity to your wallet. Migration is done in one click, or hardware. So then you can just migrate all these tokens to the wallet, which can be a really nice idea for your security. Then you can farm. So maybe you've heard about Harvest Finance. So if you just have that, you can just hodl some of the tokens and earn some like appreciation rate. Yeah, you can see here 140%, 300%, like 31,000%. So yeah, you can see all of that if you just hold into that token. Then you can land your assets here, earn yield with no permanent loss. Isolated landed markets mitigate your risk as an asset lender. Know exactly what collateral is available to you in the event of counterparty insolvency. So you can try that. Uh, Also, you can borrow on the other hand. So this is the exchange. Borrow assets and leverage up. Borrow, which allows you to obtain liquidity without selling. Your borrow limit depends on the amount of deposited collateral. You will be able to borrow up to 75% of your collateral, and anytime, repay anytime with accrued interest. So you can do that. And then you can also stake maximum yield by staking sushi for X sushi. So this is basically here you can just stake your sushi token here for around 9.27% for a year. So hope that is helpful. That's basically a quick overview, and then you can just see all the staked and unstaked sushi token, and that's basically what SushiSwap is in a nutshell. PancakeSwap, all other exchanges, Uniswap are pretty much similar. This is how it looks like. Yeah, the main thing to use it is to buy all these smaller Ethereum tokens, some emerging tokens which can't be bought directly on Coinbase. For Coinbase, for example, also has like Coinbase Exchange where you can buy Ethereum-based tokens and log in with Coinbase wallet. And of course, there are Binance Exchange, all of that. So basically, that is that. Hope it was helpful.